Hey, motorcycle enthusiasts! Today we have a short info video on a topic that comes from one of our previous videos: how to clean a carburetor in an ultrasonic cleaner. At the very beginning of the process, I add just one drop of dish soap to the water in the ultrasonic cleaner. I do this to reduce the surface tension of the water so the liquid can flow better into all the tiny holes and channels inside the carburetor. Now, I've been getting emails about this, and some people have started thinking, why not just add a lot of dish soap? It works great for washing dishes, removes grease and dirt, so why not? I strongly warn you, do not do this. A small drop is fine, it won't cause any problems, but using too much dish soap or any household cleaners like disinfectants, multi-purpose cleaners, engine degreasers, or anything similar is very dangerous for your ultrasonic cleaner. Why is that? Many of these cleaners contain chloride ions, chlorine compounds. Unfortunately, you won't always see this on the ingredients list. What do chloride ions do? They cause corrosion on stainless steel. In an ultrasonic cleaner, the corrosion happens even faster because the sound waves keep breaking down the metal surface. This means the material of your ultrasonic cleaner gets thinner and thinner until one day you get a hole in the tank. And when that happens, water leaks onto the electronics inside the machine. And well, I don't need to tell you what happens next. So, very important, do not use alternative cleaning products, no household cleaners, no multi-purpose degreasers. There are special cleaners made for ultrasonic cleaning, safe and effective. You'll find links in the video description to the right products. Our full video on how to properly clean your carburetor in an ultrasonic cleaner will be online soon, so subscribe to the channel so you don't miss it. As soon as the video is online, we will also link it in the video description. Yes, friends, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. We appreciate your support through subscriptions and wish you lots of fun while working on your projects. Until the next video, ciao.